A niche is important for you to have a niche, but also about my YouTube channel. I know I say welcome back to my YouTube channel, but I want to welcome those that are being with us right from time, and I want to welcome you that are just coming. Thank you for coming late. You are welcome. Even though you are just joining us, you are welcome. Thank you. Join us. Welcome. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Malo UI. I always say you should check the YouTube channel name before you watch. But if you didn't check it, I will use my mouth and tell you. I don't have pride. I'm Malo UI. By the way, in the way, on the way. Still with me. I'm Malo UI. Let me continue. Let me go to where I'm going to. Let me not waste your time. And then some of you saw the hot topic and you're to see what I want to talk about. Let's be serious here, but you need to see what I want to talk about. So let me go straight to it. This is a serious topic. I need to joke around. So is a niche necessary? Is a niche necessary? Like having a niche, is it necessary? Yeah, YouTuber, you want to start YouTube. You want to start from beginning, you want to start from scratch, you want to start from square one. Let me just see. I want to talk like a very social man being, but in talking, there's a joking thing in my own talk. So yeah, YouTuber. Want to start? Abi, you're already a YouTuber. You're already missing road. Yeah, I will talk. I will help you. If not somebody helped me, so I have to help you. If nobody helped me, I will still help you, but somebody helped me. So is a niche necessary? What is a niche? Advanced Learners Dictionary says that a niche is, I don't know the definition of a niche, you can't look for it. When you see a word, do a background search. It's not that telling me the definition of niche. A niche is what you want. Don't worry. Let me be using the word. While I'm saying the word, you understand the meaning. I can't go into background. So a niche. Is a niche necessary? That's the question now I'm going to answer. Now, when I want to start YouTube, I'll use my personal story to talk. So if you're looking for another person's story, go to another person's YouTube channel. Is it by force? So it's by force, so I need to subscribe for any viewers. It's by force. Yeah, so I want to use my personal story. A niche. When I was starting YouTube, I did a lot of research. The videos before this or video after this that I'm 1 year on YouTube, I have experience. I'm not just a fool that's talking to you. I have experience, and I have knowledge. So when I went to start YouTube, I did a lot of research and I saw that okay, you need a niche, you need to be doing something, you need to be known for something for you to be on YouTube. No, not for you to be on YouTube, but for you to be relevant on YouTube. So I was like, okay, well, what niche can I do? What can I do? And I was like, okay, I can do a lot of things. Yes. I can't just be I can't just be segmented to a particular portfolio, a particular thing. That particular might be a wrong word to use. I can't just segregate a particular thing on YouTube. I can do a lot of things. I'm useful. I can do a lot of things. I have 10 fingers, 5 fingers, 5 fingers. I can do a lot of things. Why would I just give myself a particular thing in each? So I was just looking for the word. What can I call myself? People are saying they're doing fake lifestyle, they're doing vlog, they're doing. What I call myself like me, I can do a lot of things. Today I can show you my back side, today I can show you my shoulder, tomorrow I can show you my head, tomorrow I can show you my eye. I can do a lot of things. When I say I really want I can do. Even that thing itself is too small for me. I said, how should I call myself? I look for a word. I said, should I say concept? Concept, okay. When me and for content have been used, this is that concept. Blah 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 concept. Yeah, concept. Concept. I said no. I'm not doing concept. Content. Create content creator. I didn't even know that it was a thing like that. I didn't know it was a job. I didn't know it was maybe I didn't do that much research. I didn't know it was a thing like that. I just heard of the word content creator. I searched the meaning, I searched what it was for. Nice, and I called myself content creator. Now I'm saying that the content creator is actually a job for creating content. I didn't know. But the same line, I thought of it. I'm not the founder, but I'm also the people that have brain, I can think. So I'm a content creator. That's what I called myself. That was my own niche. I didn't want to I feel that okay, I'm already diverting from the question. The question is a niche necessary? A niche is necessary for you to be relevant on YouTube. So you can be known for something. So if someone doing for a particular thing on YouTube, they can refer you or you can be what you're supposed to give to them. Also, because it's important doesn't mean that you should not go and allow it to limit you. A niche can limit you. You're a human being, you're a young person, you're an adult, you're someone that is fantastic, you're an important person, you're that, you're this. You can do a lot of things. So don't let, I want to have a niche. A niche is important. Don't let it limit you. I know you can do a lot of things. So what I will say is that have a niche, but also don't let a niche limit you. Because one thing I've found about this content creation job or this media work is that you can call yourself one thing, but people will do for another thing. You can say, okay, I'm an actor. People might see you as a model, maybe because you post too much on Instagram. So that kind of thing, rather than so. What I feel is that have a niche, but don't let it limit you. That's what I feel. Have a niche, but don't let it limit you. Do whatever you think you can. Whatever you are capable of doing, whatever is convenient for you, whatever is comfortable for you, do it. And also have a niche. Let the niche be what you are known for, what put it to the limelight. Then you can also show people other parts of you, so you can also have more viewers, you can reach more people. That's what I feel. So have a niche. I'm not saying you don't have a niche. I'm trying to check how many minutes this video have taken. I've taken half the time by my side. So have a niche. It's important for you to have a niche, but also don't let it limit you. That's just the point of it's a niche nature that I'm just saying. But don't let it limit you, because like I said, okay, some people are, because if you narrow down your niche, it's good. Okay, it's good for you to narrow down your niche. Okay, I'm a makeup artist. What kind of makeup do I create? I create makeup for movies, or I don't just do events. Okay, I'm a photographer and I don't just do events. I do lifestyle photography. I do portraits. I do. It's important. But don't let it what limits you, because everything has a time. Everything has a season. I'll say okay. So what if what you narrowed yourself down to is not paying yet? It's not what is in vogue yet. You should be able to like diversify, like go to another industry. You understand what I'm saying? So just don't let it limit you. Now that your niche is important, now that your niche, so when they're looking for you'll be good at that thing, but don't let it limit you. There's a lot you can do. There's a lot you can, because me too, when I was creating it, when I was starting my YouTube, people were like, okay, what are you doing? What should you know for? Are you create comedy? Are you a spoken word artist? What exactly are you doing? And I said, I'm a content creator. Whatever I do is what I do. Don't come and ask me. It's true now, because I can make content, I can create it today, I can do talk show tomorrow, I can do a vlog tomorrow. If I post it, if you like it, watch it, like it. And if that was not it, very soon I'll make a playlist. You will see comedy skits one side, you will see this thing one side. I'm still the same person that is doing it, because people, a big business has a lot of things that they are doing. Dangote has cement, Dangote has sugar, Dangote, I don't know if they have spaghetti, Dangote has this, Dangote has that. See, I did a lot of things. Have a niche, but not is what limits you. And in as much as you're trying to diversify, please learn about the other industry you're trying to enter. Do your research. So have a niche, not to limit you. I think I'm just repeating myself. But please have a niche. It's important. So you've been known for something and you believe into it, but when people are searching for something, they will not create, so that they will refer them to you. But also, don't let it limit you. You can do a lot of things. And like I've seen that people can do a lot of things. Human beings can do a lot of things. Someone that can sing can also act. Someone that can, like you see comedians that can also sing. Like so Kenny Black, so a lot of people that do comedy that can also sing. They can dance. So they can even act movies. What do I want to call them? Act the need, but don't let it limit you. That's just what I'm saying. I have a place that, okay, this is my space. But if you need me to be there, you can be there. Because, okay, another aspect of it is this is another aspect. I have a niche, don't let it limit you, because, okay, now, when you're about to make a movie, there are different aspects of movie making. There's sound, there's lights, there's DOP, director of photography, there's a lot of things. When you become a YouTuber, you are the everything. You are the director, you are the producer, you are the writer, you are everything. It's not your niche, but you gotta do it. Can you pay them? If you're original, you can pay them. I'm not original, I can't pay them, so I have to kind of set about what they do. So I have a need, but let's limit you. I just hit you. Bye bye, you can go. If you want to go, let me play with you 2 bits. Me, I have a niche. Let me talk about myself. I'm a content creator. I am my brand. My brand is me. I create content. That is my own niche. Whatever content I want to create is share my niche. If you want to watch a particular content, go to the video and watch it. If you're looking for that content, go to the video and watch it. Because my own personality will not just be attached to one particular industry. That's just it. So I think you can go now. Because I'm going. Bye bye. If you want to follow me, bye bye. Go.